Hey, today we're back with common barriers. I like this 5, I guess. High five. I'm making a lot of 5 videos right now. But common barriers, why we don't get started with learning to swim as an adult. Because we need to get over that hump, right? To go from the desire, the curiosity, I know, I think I should, I want to, I've wanted to in the past, but I'm not getting over the barrier. So let's look at these common barriers and see what we can do with them, how we can work with them. Remember, learning to swim is really 80% mental to 20% physical. So we got to take care of that mental part, and let's do it today, right here. All right. The first one that I see over and over again is this idea that it is hard. It's hard to learn something new. It's hard to learn to swim. It kind of goes into the second one too, which is I've tried before, right? I've tried before and I have failed. Who wants to do that? Who wants to set themselves up for failure? I don't, but it's hard to learn. So let's kind of break that one down a little bit. Now, I'm not going to try and persuade you or convince you that learning something new isn't hard. Of course it is. But it turns out actually that might be the very reason to do it. It's so good for our brain, for our longevity, for our quality of life to do things that help us grow. And growth, it's hard. It is hard. So I'm not going to try and rosy glass that. Learning something new is hard because you're going from your body and your brain. Everything wants to just can we just keep sitting on the couch, eating those potato chips at night, right? And relax into our lives. And there is a place for that. And there is a place for doing things that are hard on purpose, with intention, with the idea that this is about my total growth as a human being. Now, I know you're not afraid to do hard things because you do hard things in your life. Life comes at us all the time with hard things, be it small hard things like driving to work and the traffic, right? The hard thing of having to calm myself in the traffic on the way to work, to other hard things that come at us, like somebody who we really care about having a medical diagnosis, or ourselves, right? These hard things just happen in our lives. It's part of being human. Doing something that's hard of your choosing on purpose grows your capacity and your ability to be able to take on the hard things that come into your life kind of without your choice, right? Nobody really chooses the traffic. Nobody chooses devastating medical diagnosis. We don't go out on purpose seeking these things, but it's a part of being human. And the better we are at having a process in which how to do hard things, the better we are when those, we'll just say, random hard things come into our life. So embracing saying, I want to be a person of growth with intention and purpose, and to show myself a very kind way and process to do something that's hard. Our second one that I hear a lot is, I've tried it before and failed. It didn't work for me. I'm not good at it. Other people are good at it. My spouse or partner or friends or whatever. It's for those people. Yeah, that all kind of fits in this category. I've tried and I've failed. Now, here's the good news about this. The good news is you now know what doesn't work. And that is always the process of learning something new. Think about scientists. When they go out, they put a theory into the world and they make an experiment. And they're actually winning if the experiment proves their hypothesis or if it doesn't prove their hypothesis. They get information either way. So we can take those past failures, those past non-success stories of your swimming and take those to say, okay, that's not quite the pathway. Let me find a different pathway. And it doesn't mean that I can't swim or swimming's not for me. It just means that wasn't the pathway. I now know. I have more information. Okay, it leaves open the question, what is a new pathway that I could try out and I could test out? Am I willing to be kind to myself on that pathway and to see, is this the one? How does this work? Is this one working for me? Maybe some of it does, maybe some of it doesn't. But it is that expansive growth way of being, which, by the way, back to that first one, trickles out into all areas of your life. The better we are at handling failures and bringing curiosity in to figure things out, the more capacity we have to do that in every other area of our life. All right, my friends, you got this. Take that next step, dive on down, grab your freebies here, to keep doing one gentle, loving, beautiful step at a time. I can't wait to see you on your next step. Bye.